Okay, a quick review over factoring into two groups. So, let's say we have a problem that looks like this. X squared minus 5x minus 36. Okay. Remember that when we did this, let's see, we did a little bit of factoring on the day at the beginning of the year when we were first learning quadratics. But now we're going to come back to it because we're going to need it whenever we simplify rational functions. So that's what's coming up next. But first we have to be able to factor before we can simplify. So we've got three problems here. Let's say a squared plus 7x plus 10. And then let's try, how about m squared minus 6x. I put x there. Let's make it right, huh? Why not? And then minus 7. And we could actually do uno más, right? Z squared plus 7z plus 12. Okay. Now then, what we talked about when we were talking about factoring the last time we did it is we have to multiply to be the very front number, and we have to multiply to be the very back number, and we have to add up to be the middle. That's the whole job, right? Every single time. Multiply, multiply, add, right? M-A-M, multiply, add, multiply, right? That's what we're talking about. So, when we think about numbers that multiply to, let's start at the bottom and work up. Must be different, huh? When we think about numbers that multiply to be 12, we could do 1 times 12. We could do 2 times 6, or we could do 3 times 4, right? But only one of these adds up to be the thing that we want in the middle. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 6 is not. 1 plus 12 is not. Right? So the correct answer then would be parentheses z plus 3 and z plus 4. Okay? Now let's look at 7. Negative 7 has to multiply to be negative 7. Right? Multiply to be this and add up to be this. That's what we want. Right? So multiply to be negative 7. Well, there's two ways to do that. Negative 1 times positive 7, or negative 7 times positive 1. Now, do you know which one adds up to be negative 6? Yeah, this one adds up to be negative 6. That one adds up to be positive 6. We don't want that. So the correct answer would be m minus 7, and then m plus 1. There you go. We did it. We did it. Okay, let's do this one. To get 10, 1 times 10, 2 times 5. Well, that's all there is. And there's only one way to add up to be 7. That one's too easy, huh? And then this last one. Oh boy, 36. Lots of ways to get 36. 6 times 6. Let's see. 4 times 9. 3 times 12. 2 times 18. Oh, it has to be negative 36. Silly me. So 1 positive, 1 negative, right? Positive, blah, blah, blah. Oh, that means that there's twice as many, right? Because I could have negative 18. And positive 2, and negative 12, and positive 3, and negative 9 and positive 4. And that one, well, that's okay. So, when I add these two together, I get 0. That's not what I want. Right? When I add these two together, I get positive 5. Whoa, I don't want positive 5. I want negative 5. Ah, must be this one then, huh? Because this one would add up to be negative 5. See, this guy doesn't. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope, that's the only one. So, that means that this guy is x minus 9 and x plus 4. Yay! Okay, so we found these 4 things. That's what today's homework is like. You should have no problems at all. All right, see you tomorrow, and we'll do some more factoring.